How to set up your Alibaba account. So after you finish downloading the Alibaba account, open it and your home screen should look something like this. You'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the bottom right corner of your screen where it says My Alibaba. Then you'll see your profile picture on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and from here you can fill all the options which says incomplete. There are many options like sourcing preference, business information, account information, and you can fill it all the information from here. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later.